Is your PC drive constantly running out of storage, but you're not sure what's taking up all that space? Rest assured, because in this video, I'll show you how to free up that much-needed storage space on your drive by making use of two softwares that are both safe and essential for this. Okay, let's get into it. First, we'll download WizTree, a software that shows you exactly which folders within your drive are taking up space, unlike Windows Explorer, where you'd go crazy just trying to find out. To install WizTree on your PC, open your browser and search for WizTree. Click on the official website. This is usually going to be the first one in the search results. As you go onto their website, you'll see a yellow download button. Click on this. Here you'll be given two options: an installer version and a portable version. You can choose either, but for this video, let's just go with the installer version and let the download proceed. For my downloads, I have used the free download manager. The link will be in the description. Once downloaded, navigate to the setup file and run the setup. Click Yes when prompted by Windows. Select Language to Preference. Accept the agreement and click Next. Here you can choose the folder you wish to store your program files. I'll select my C drive. Then click Next. Then Next again. Create a desktop shortcut, then click Next. And finally click on Install and let the process finish. Once installation is complete, launch WizTree. When WizTree opens, select your main drive, usually local disk C on the top right corner. Click on Scan. WizTree will quickly analyze your entire drive and show you exactly which folders and files are taking up the most space. As you can see, this didn't take time at all, and now I can finally see what's robbing me of my storage.
That's what I'm talking about! That's why he's the MVP! That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
If you want to uninstall files directly from WizTree, right-click on the chosen file and click Uninstall. Now we will download the second software known as Revo Uninstaller. This software is better for uninstalling programs on the PC without leaving registry files and associated files on your PC after uninstalling, as this can free up for space. Open your browser and search for Revo Uninstaller. Again, click on their official website, usually the first link, but I'll have the links to all softwares used provided in the description. Click on the button that says Free Download and let the setup download. After the download is complete, run the setup file. Again, click on Yes when prompted by Windows. Select Language Preference, then Next. Accept the agreement and click Next. Select the folder to store the application files. Click Next. Create desktop shortcut, then Next again. Then click on Install and let the installation finish. After that, launch the application. Inside Revo Uninstaller, you'll see a list of all installed programs. Find programs you no longer use and wish to uninstall. Right-click on the program, then click Uninstall. Here you will be able to choose if you wish to create a system restore point in the case something breaks within your system and you wish to rewind back to a previous state of Windows before you uninstalled the program. After that, you continue, and the program will run the application's uninstaller first. Make sure to select the advanced scan to scan thoroughly for registry files left behind. Then after that, it will show you a bunch of registry files, which can also be deleted. And finally, any leftover files left behind by the program can also be deleted. This will ensure that not only does the program uninstall, but it also frees up more storage by removing leftover files and registry tweaks. And there you have it. By using WizTree to analyze your storage and Revo Uninstaller to remove programs properly, you can quickly and safely free up a large amount of space on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like and any comment on what tutorial you'd like next. For more simple and effective PC optimization tutorials, subscribe to A Tech Media, and I'll see you in the next video.